I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp in your MacBook, so it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So you just need to open your MacBook and make sure you're logged in or signed up, since that is mandatory if you want to download an app on MacBook. So after you've done so, you just need to look at the Apple menu right below, and now you just need to tap on Launchpad where you can find App Store. So it's right over here. Just go ahead and tap there, and immediately after you're there, you see something like this. Now look at the top left where you have the option for search. You just need to type WhatsApp, just press enter, wait for it to load. So it's right over here, WhatsApp Messenger. This is what we need. Just go ahead and tap here, and now instead of update, you should see get. Since I've already downloaded it, I can't see that, but if you're new or if you haven't downloaded it, then you should see something like get. You just need to tap on that option and verify yourself, and after that the download process will automatically begin. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you download WhatsApp in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.